So the best in-office treatments for hair loss are PRP or GFC along with mesotherapy. PRP is platelet-rich plasma. We take your own blood, centrifuge it in a machine and prepare a yellow-colored liquid which has a concentration of platelets. Platelets are said to release growth factors once they are injected into the scalp. So PRP, it can be either injected into the scalp or it can be used along with microneedling or a derma roller or a derma pen so that the penetration of PRP is better. What does PRP do? PRP is said to increase the vascular supply to the hair follicles. It stimulates the dormant follicles. Then it increases the thickness of the existing hair follicles, as a result of which in a few weeks or months you can appreciate that your hair fall has reduced, your hair density has increased, and the visibility of the scalp is also less. So you can see that your hair is getting better and better day by day. Saying this, it's not essential that PRP will act on each and every client. It's just a treatment. It's prepared from your own blood, and we have to give a session, approximately 3 to 4 sessions, 1 month apart, and then we have to wait for the results, because the results, they keep coming till 3 to 6 months, and after 6 months we can reassess, and then we can see whether the PRP has a positive effect or not. Either PRP or GFC. GFC is an upgraded form of PRP and it is growth factor concentrate. There are different kits to prepare PRP and GFC. In GFC, we take a sample, centrifuge it, and keep it for almost 25-30 minutes so that the platelets, they release the growth factors. So what we are injecting into the scalp, they are the growth factors and not the platelets. Both these treatments are very popular and they are widely used in all forms of hair loss or alopecia. But the important thing is that once you have gone bald or you have lost all your hair, PRP or GFC, no matter, they are of no use. Then the only treatment of choice is hair transplant.